SeeMeTeach is the new and powerful teacher observation app that provides data as evidence for feedback and coaching and addresses the major pains of teacher observations. While most teacher observations only provide notes, checkboxes, or general ratings, SeeMeTeach has both a powerful qualitative comment mode and a quantitative data collection mode. In the quantitative mode, data is collected on key teacher and student actions and then instantly compiled and organized by tables and graphs based on teacher and student actions, such as wait time, teacher versus student talking time, types of questions being asked, and much, much more. There's a color-coded visual heat map associated with each lesson summary that provides insight into which students are contributing and which are being left out of instruction. This can also be used to determine which students are misbehaving and how and when the teacher intervenes. When quantifiable markers and objective data is used for feedback and coaching, teachers can modify their instruction and significant positive changes will result. With our qualitative comments mode, unique button sets tailored to your specific curriculum allow for rich and beneficial feedback and goal setting. And the collaborative team table function allows the user to quickly see any team member's comments or data as it's all stored on the secure SeeMeTeach cloud and is made readily available for all team members to use and reference at any time. SeeMeTeach has applications for almost any person involved in helping to improve teaching and learning. This is a must-have app for teachers, administrators, coaches, teacher educators, pre-service teachers, researchers, or grant evaluators. And it hosts a wide range of extended resources to help tailor observations and feedback to your curriculum and your school. Wouldn't it be great if stressful, boring, vague observations were a thing of the past? Contact us now to find out how you can incorporate SeeMeTeach into your school or institution and dare to reimagine classroom observations.